returned Brown John. Sometimes I sit with both eyes closed, but all the same I've heard. They're saying, who won't talk because here's a thinking bird. I'm olive green and sulky, and the family say, oh yes, he's silent, but he's listening. He thinks more than he says. He ponders on the things he hears, preferring not to chatter. And this is true, but why it's true is quite another matter. I'm working out some shocking things in order to surprise them. And when my thoughts are ready, I'll certainly not disguise them. I'll wait and see and choose a time when everyone is present and clear my throat and raise my beak and give a squawk and start to speak and go on for about a week, and it